things that keep you up at night. Nobody knows how you feel. It may all seem too real at times. So take a deep breath, look into the mirror, tell yourself that you're alright. We all know how it goes. In the end it feels like soft lips on fingertips, moving to the rhythm of your woman's hips, leaning in for a first kiss, ending up playing tongue tricks, things that make your heart skip, like perfecting your first backflip. You get a grip and you realize it's not so bad. It's not so bad. And you stay on your grind, but life happens too fast sometimes. You keep on taking the hits. You feel like calling it quits, and that's when you take a deep breath, look into the mirror, tell yourself that you're alright. We all know how